Today's recipe is vegan Greek salad, which is very similar to the traditional Greek salad, except for it's made with vegan feta cheese. To enrich the flavor, I'm adding some roasted red bell pepper, which is how we usually make it in Bulgaria. And like every salad, this vegan Greek salad is made with fresh produce, which is packed with vitamins and minerals that will nourish your body. So let me show you how to make it. Let's start by roasting the bell peppers at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After they're roasted, you can take them out of the oven and transfer them to a large bowl. Then cover them with a plastic wrap and let them rest for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting for the peppers to cool down, let's chop the vegetables for the salad, including cucumber, tomatoes, red onion for additional flavor, the vegan feta cheese, which I sliced in cubes, and then chop some fresh cilantro. After 10 minutes, the bell peppers should be cooled down enough so we can peel off the skin and slice them into smaller pieces so we can use them in the salad later on. And once we're done prepping all the vegetables, it's time to add them to a large bowl. So transfer the cucumbers into the bowl, followed by the freshly chopped tomatoes. Add the finely chopped onions, as well as the kalamata olives. The olives will give a really nice rich flavor. And finally, add the chopped bell pepper. To enhance the flavor of the vegetables, you can add freshly squeezed lemon juice and salt, about 1 tablespoon, and mix everything well. If you like black pepper, this is a good time to add the black pepper as well. And once you mix the lemon juice and salt with the vegetables, it's time to add the vegan feta cheese. I always add fresh herbs to my salads like cilantro. It enhances the flavor really nicely. And then add some olive oil, about 4 tablespoons, and mix everything very well. After that, our salad is ready. You can see how rich and vibrant the colors are. And this salad is one of my favorite salads. It's very tasty and refreshing, and you can serve it as a main course. It's rich enough for a nice light lunch. You can also add it as a side dish to your main course or as an appetizer before the main course. It's perfect to serve as an addition to sandwiches as well. So I hope you enjoy this flavorful combination, and let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this delicious vegan Greek salad. And if you did, please share it with your friends and family so they can benefit from this beautiful recipe. Thank you.